guys, Bearded here, and today we are going to have some fun with the trident. We are going to riptide through the air using the rain to catch the trident. First I have to go into survival. Wait, no, I'm still in creative because I don't want to lose it. So yeah, I gotta go over here. Here we go. Actually, I have to be careful not to hit my cats. And once you do get to a good spot, I'm going to fly down. This is just so satisfying. Well, what just happened? The rain turned from rain to snow. Whoa. Oh, the weather changes the higher up you. Oh my goodness. I like how my wings just spread out. My goodness. That is so cool. So it's at about y-axis 450 that. And we go. I'm timing how long I can glide for. Well, that's glitchy. How quickly it moves back. It's like, shouldn't move friendly. I believe I can fly. I believe I could touch the sky. I believe I could fly. I believe I could die. Wait, I'm in creative. No, I can't. Wait a minute. I want to try riptiding back to where I originally was. See if I can even find it. And I can only do this using Riptide.